Hi sir, this is Deepthi. I'm from 19 MIS 0 batch sir. I'm from F1 slot sir. Sir, my project title is Online Cab Booking System sir. So basically online cab booking system specializing in hiring cabs to customers. It is an online system sir, through which customers can view available cabs, register the cabs, view profile and book cabs. Cab booking service is a major transport service sir, provided by the various transport operators in a particular city we can see. As if we go on saying in the same way, sir, there were so many benefits out of the cab booking system, and there were so many websites also available right now, sir. Not only one or two, there were literally, I mean, not there were literally more than five or else 10, which are very rapidly growing in this century or in this 21st century, sir. If we take an examples, Uber, Ola, Didi, Cabify, and these were the some of the examples, sir. Sir, what I'm working in this project is I'm going to focus on the my application was majorly on the online cab booking, sir. I'm going to focus on the four modules in it, sir. First module is the homepage module, sir, and the second module is the registration page module, and the third module is the login control page module, and fourth module is the payment page module, sir. And the last final module is it is the invoice page where we will be getting our journey details after we had completed everything, sir. Sir, majorly now I will slightly show what I'm working on, sir. Sir, I had taken an example of Uber cab, sir. Yes, sir. If we go on to the official website of the Uber, and the first module what I'm working on it is login. I mean homepage. We need to go to the homepage and we need to get into login into this, sir. Sir, as already we need to go in this way. As already I had logged in by my name, in this they will be asking our details and our name and the full email ID. In that way, we need to log in this. Already I had logged in this, so my name is already it had mentioned it, sir. DP. Yes, sir. And the second thing is a second module. It is nothing but the registration. As if we were novice users, I mean, if we were the first users whom we were getting into this access account, then we need to sign it up, sir. Why? Because there will be a number of rewards and coupons will be receiving. Why? Because if we were using continuously this website for a number of times for booking online cabs, it's better to sign up with the users, sir. So, sir, we need to type our yes, sir. And the next thing is we need to give only the one number and for the first time. Why? Because if you use the another number, it will be giving that the email IDs and everything has already there. We can see right now, sir. Already email has already been taken. So we need to give the only number which we hadn't given any time. So in this way, we will be registering our the second one registration page. We will be registering our everything in that. And the next thing, sir, it's nothing but the login control page, sir. What it is means, basically we will be booking our cab where to go from where to where. It is the major module I can say, sir. We will be getting into the yeah, where can we pick you up? It's nothing but from the destination place, and they will be asking our location and when to go, where to go. So I will be giving we need to give exact time, AM or PM, and everything has to be recorded, sir. And the next thing, add a pickup location. We need to give some where we need to go, and not only the pickupping location, we need to give the destination also. Yeah, try requesting a ride now. It's nothing but everything is completed, sir. In this one is, sir, it is asking the selecting type also, sir. There is an extra facility for us. We can go for a auto, I mean Uber auto or else Uber car. How much rates they will be available, they will be saying everything, sir. So how, which price we need to go, we can go on it, and they will be showing, and it is nothing but the fourth module, sir, payment module. We need to be so clear in this, sir. They will be asking the change, if you want to change, if you didn't connect through over to the payment, we need to change it, sir. Yeah, select the payment method. These are the payments methods, sir. There is the cash method and gift card and Paytm, which are furtherly we are using. And after the completion of the in this, if we were going into the Paytm or anything else, they will be asking us to give our ACC number and expiry date and our card number and everything. In this way, we need to go on, sir. And the last final module, we will be getting a novice page, which is nothing but the useful uh, for the destination place has to be received. Yes, sir. This is what I'm working in the review one. Thank you, sir.